Well, hello friends. Today I'm doing another walk along the Brisbane River, just another local walk, but this time heading upstream from the city, and right now I'm just walking across the Go-Between Bridge. This is a new bridge that was built back in 2009, and I've actually never walked across this one before, so this is a first for me. I think I've walked over every single other bridge in the city going across the river, but not this one, so yeah, I thought I'd do this one today, and there's another two further downstream being built, so I'll do those when they open. But anyway, yeah, just going for a nice little walk here. It's actually quite a pleasant day. It's pretty much about the shortest day of the year at the moment. So yeah, the sun's only about 40 degrees above the horizon, but it's still quite a nice, yeah, feels quite nice. So, but yeah, the mornings are a bit cold, but anyway, just a short walk today, just around the city, probably heading up one way and then heading down the other, back into the city, and then then back home. I'm in the middle of setting up a downstairs gym at the moment. I am looking at a major renovation for all of downstairs, but yeah, with the building prices at the moment, I don't want to sort of engage any tradies just yet. But what I'm doing is I'm setting up all the furniture and all the equipment and stuff, and just playing around with configurations and that, so when I do get around to actually getting the renovation happening, I'll know exactly where everything's going to be going. So yeah, it's a good way to plan a renovation, and get it all set up and functional before you actually start committing any money to it. So yep, so that's what I'm going to be doing. So yeah, I'm almost at the end of the bridge now, so I'm going to close off here. So thanks friends for joining me again today, and I shall catch you somewhere else next time. Ciao for now.